The Larson Electronics temporary power distribution system converts single-phase 480-volt AC electrical current into single-phase 120 or 240-volt AC. This unit provides operators the ability to safely tap into and distribute 480-volt AC power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. A weatherproof flip cover at the front of the unit can be lifted upwards via an accessible handle, which serves as protection for breakers and receptacles in rugged environments. The transformer is protected by vibration isolators that reduce damage to exterior jacket of wiring components and decrease noise during operation. This power distribution system is constructed of steel with a polyester powder-coated blue finish for durability against dirt, moisture, and mild corrosion. Custom colors such as black, gray, desert tan, or forest green and galvanized finishes are available upon request. The transformer and load center or distribution assembly is mounted to a standard steel cart-style frame, resulting in an extremely stable, durable, and mobile power distribution platform. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.